Unit 3, Wild Weather, Topic Grammar, Past Continuous. Aim to revise the past continuous. Activity, complete an email. Exercise 5, reference PULSE2 book, page 32. Okay, now let's read and understand the question. Complete Tom's email with the past continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, let's read the email together. Hi Emma, something really strange happened to me today. I blank in bracket walk home from school and suddenly lots of apples started falling out of the sky. I couldn't believe it. It's blank bracket rain apples. Where blank they blank in bracket come from? I went home and told my mom and brother, but they said I blank in bracket not tell the truth. However, that evening my mom and dad blank in bracket watched the news on TV and they heard the story. Nobody knows why the apples fell out of the sky, but they did. I blank in bracket not lie. See you soon, Tom. Okay, now let's answer question number 1. I blank in bracket walk. Okay, now turn the verb walk into past continuous. Which is the correct answer? A. Walk. B. Walks. C. Was walk. Or D. Was walking. What is your answer? 5 seconds to answer. Yes, the answer is D. Was walking. Very good. Blank in bracket rain. It's blank in bracket rain. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Was raining. D. Were raining. Which is the correct answer? 5 seconds to answer. Correct. The answer is C. It was raining. Very good. Now, let's do question number 3. Where blank they blank in bracket come from? Where blank they blank in bracket come from? Which is the correct answer? A. Are come. B. Was coming. C. Is coming. Or D. Were coming. 5 seconds to answer. Yes, the answer is D. Were coming. Where were they coming from? Good. Now, let's do question number 4. I blank in bracket not tell. I blank in bracket not tell. What is the answer? Is it A. Am not telling? B. Wasn't telling? C. Weren't telling? Or D. Isn't telling? 5 seconds to answer. Correct. The answer is B. I wasn't telling the truth. I wasn't telling the truth. Now let's do question number 5. My mom and dad blank watch. My mom and dad blank watch. What is the correct answer? Is it A, were watching, B, was watching, C, watched, or D, was watched? 5 seconds to answer. Correct. The answer is A. My mom and dad were watching TV. My mom and dad were watching the TV. Very good. Now, let's go to next question. Question number 6. I blank in bracket not lie. I blank in bracket not lie. What is the correct answer? Is it A, not lie, or B, wasn't lying, or C, did not lie, or D, am not lying? So, 5 seconds to answer. Very good. Yes, the answer is B, wasn't lying. I wasn't lying. Very good. Well, that's it for today. Bye-bye.